Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm down here again at the Mulungari Grasslands, and I've done a video of this previously where I was using my MTR 4B on 40 meters. And today I've come down and I'm going to try out the QRP Guys end-fed antenna, but I'm also going to be trying it on 80 meters because it's just before lunchtime, and I thought I'd give it a go because sometimes 40 meters there's a bit of a skip zone for the locals and they can't hear me, so we'll see if we can get them on 80 meters. I'll be trying CW and probably SSB, and can't hang around here too long in the park today because there's the annual Eastern Grey Roo Cull, so I don't want to get fined for staying here during the curfew hours or risk being shot, so I'll be leaving before 3 PM today to avoid all of that.
Charlie Tango portable. Yeah, fine stuff there. Not a bad signal actually. Yeah, the name here is Alan, and I'm down here just out of Ballarat, Victoria there. Go ahead. VK1 Charlie Tango portable, VK2 Victor Whiskey. Yeah, thanks Chris for the 5 and 7. You're also 5 and 7, eh?
Thanks for the 5 and 7, very good. Just running QRP from an FD817. I'm in VKFF0856 in the north of Canberra.
Sounds very nice. Sounds very nice, mate. They might be a bit cool out there this morning, I take it, in your district, over?
It is a little bit cool, but there's no wind and clear skies, so it's quite pleasant, over.
It's nice when there's no wind, yeah, it's nice in the sun. Anyway, Chris, thank you for being there, and good luck with your activation, 73 and 44.
Thanks very much. Since I made my last video, I've acquired some new gear, and one of the things is this memory microphone, and it came in a kit form from Germany, and you put it together and it fits all the Yaesu radios, the 817, the 857, the 897, and the benefit of it is that you can program in a CQ call. You just record it and it'll play it back, and it's fantastic because I don't have to sit here calling CQ on the microphone. I can just press the button and it does it for me. It's like an electronic memory key for Morse code, but in this case it's for voice. Fantastic bit of kit, and you just press the button and away it goes. It's sending CQ for me, so I can do other things while it's calling CQ. I can talk to you, I can check my log entries, and just wait for another call. It's a little bit slow this morning, but that's not unexpected because conditions on 40 usually get better in the afternoon. I'm down here about midday.
VK4 Tango Juliet.
There we go, VK4 Tango Juliet.
Yes, I guess what the other antenna was, what sort of antennas were you playing with, over?
I've got the QRP Guys end-fed antenna, so I've got the wire out for 40 meters, but I've also got a wire for 80 meters, which I might hook up a bit later on, over.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, you're probably distance for me on 80. I have done it to VK1 during the middle of the day. It usually takes a reasonably well-equipped station at the other end to make it work, but could be fun. Anyway, you do have another customer on the line, so we'll leave you to it. I think I'll back in a minute or two and see how you're going. Apart from VK6 Bravo, suitable speed.
copy 0756. I'm in Mulungurry Grasslands in the north of Canberra. Thanks very much for the call, and great to work park to park. Just running QRP here from an FT817, over.
Not a problem there. 73 and 44. Enjoy the rest of the activation. Cheers.
Okay, so I've sent QRL, which means this is frequency busy. I've had no reply, so I'm going to post this frequency in a spot, and we'll see if anyone comes back to me. So I've just connected the wire for 80 meters, and of course it's another 20 meters wire, so it spreads right out over there, and it's really only about maybe 5 feet off the ground. So obviously not ideal at all, but we'll see if it tunes up. Well, I have to say the SWR is pretty good according to the 817, so I think that's acceptable. We'll give that a go.
VK1 CT4, VK1 down.
Yeah, all fine there, Ian. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. The wind is picking up.
No, is there, Chris? Yeah, you better get out of there before you get shot there. The kangaroo coals going all over the place. Anyway, all that's at Chris, 73, 44. VK1 Charlie Tango, VK5 LA.
VK5 LA from VK1 CT Portable, good afternoon. You're 5 and 9, name is Chris.
Yeah, roger there, thank you very much for 5 and 9. You're about a 5 and 5 here, 55. My name is Andy, and I'm in the Riverland of South Australia. VK1 CT Portable. VK7 Alpha Lima Hotel, 5 and 9, 59. Yeah, good afternoon there. Chris must be cool there. It's cool here. The name here is Ross. Romeo Oscar Sierra here, and I'm about 8.5 k's west of the city of Launceston.
Yeah, roger there, Chris. Thanks for the 5-9. I have you in South Queensland at 5454. Over.
Thanks very much for